What up, gang? Check it out. First thing I'm doing to the trailer. Remove that tie. I want to see. It's getting late. I know I ain't gonna be able to do it, but I just want to see if it's gonna work. Went and bought some stain for it. Now, I know some people say, well, you staining the trailer and all this type of stuff like that. You're putting cars on it, but hey, it's mine. But that's not the reason I'm staining it. Staining it because I want to keep the wood, preserve the wood. But we're gonna see if this gonna work. Let me shake this up. I think I'll give me some gloves in the back, buddy. My them clear gloves and them white looking ones. I just want to see if it's gonna work, guys. The lady at the store said that I was gonna buy a gallon. She was like, so I got a 20-foot trailer, and trying to get some stain. I think a gallon will work. She said a gallon? Probably can do it with a quart. So I ain't really buy no quart. I bought well, I should have sanded it, but I'm not doing all that. Really not. Just want to see if it's gonna work. Yeah. Well, shit. Well, damn. Hold on. Let me see something. Let me see something. Well, shit. Hold on. Well, I think I'm gonna like that though. I think I am. Good dark color. I think I'm gonna like that. But shit, the lady probably was right. I probably ain't gonna need it. I mean, because Karen. Alright guys, I think this might come out pretty good. Let me see. Huh? Now I'm making a mess, guys. That's all I'm doing. Pay attention. Don't pay attention to me. Just making a mess. That your mom? Oh, that's Miss Bridget. That's Miss Bridget. Yeah. I'm trying to put y'all how even, guys. It's fucking stain. Yeah, it's getting dark in the house, so go get one more can. That'll do it. I started to get 2 of them in the house, but one more will do it.
What,
Definitely do it. Just one more that size right there. It'll do it. Yeah, it's gonna turn out good. Yeah. Seems like it's still damp.
Which one?
This one right here. Forget it. Yeah. Go on in. Hit it. It might be enough to finish this one board here. Damn leaves. It'll fit it. It'll finish it. It'll finish this board here. It ain't gonna finish the rest of it. I go get some more when I leave from up there tomorrow. Checking on the car.
The next day.
All right, guys. The next day, of course, I ran out. So I had to go get me one. One more should do it. Going to finish this thing up real quick. That's gonna be it. Gonna get it out the way. Let me go ahead and grab some gloves. Let me get my gate fixed. Get this knocked out the way real quick, guys. Oh, if it's just full. Cool. That'll work. I'd be so mad this shit dropping my shoes. Boy, I would be so mad. And it won't be nobody's fault but mine. Crazy. No, I should go change. I'm trying to get this done because I need to go up there and check on the smart car. Oh boy. I just got off work. Went straight up there, got this. Now I'm finna do this real quick. We in there. Like swim well. I gotta catch y'all back on in a minute. Alright guys. That's it. This is the look I was going for. I really was going. I thought about putting another coat on it, but I kind of like this look because I don't want it too dark. So I'm gonna stick with this right here. When that dry up, boom. Got a hit down there. These boards here still kind of wet, so I'm gonna hit these last. They're still damp, so hit them last. But that's the color of it right there. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get my box and my winch for it. My box and my winch. Hand me one of the paper towels up out of there. Them blue ones. Get my box and my winch. Get with somebody to hook that up. You're gonna be in there. Just one. And I'll start renting this thing out. Gotta make it pay for itself. Appreciate it, buddy. Drive it. Yeah. Yep. Order me another spare tire. Order me a spare tire for it. Yeah, give me a spare tire. Just in case you're going somewhere to tie blow. They got attachment I can hook, sit in the thing, have a spare tire on it. Get one now. Well, yeah, that's it. What does that say? Say something. This will be dry by tomorrow, if it don't rain. I need to get me an electric winch too. I mean electric thing.
Harbor Freight?
Yeah, everything get them Harbor Freight.
Then they got them in?
I don't know. I'm about to check.
That's all, folks.